natural compounds composed of large number of different alpha amino acids joined together with peptide linkages. That is, they are naturally occurring polypeptides. They are present in the cytoplasm as well as in the cell membrane of all cells without exception. Animals have relatively much more proteins than plants in seeds, in which cellulose predominates. Among animals, the mammals are constituted largely of proteins. For example, skin, hair, nails, hemoglobin, muscles, etc. Antibodies, enzymes, some hormones like insulin are proteinaceous in nature. It is very important to note that the tissue proteins of any two of the individuals are not identical, except for two twins. Due to this characteristic, proteins helps in protecting the body by the attack of foreign toxic proteins and viruses. The latter are partially proteins. The biological importance of proteins can be judged by the fact that animals can live for a long time without fat or carbohydrates, but not without proteins. Proteins mainly supply new tissues, repair working parts and make up the loss, for example, as gland secretions in vital processes. Only the plants can build up proteins from inorganic materials like nitrates, ammonium sulfates, carbon dioxide and water, while most of the animals derive them mainly from plants and some other animals. Now, the characteristics of proteins. Since proteins are composed exclusively of alpha amino acids, the properties of the latter also Since proteins are composed exclusively of alpha amino acids, the properties of the latter also constitute the properties of the former. Some of the important properties are given below, as first property, most of the proteins are hydrophilic, high polymers colloids. A few such as insulin, tobacco mosaic virus, etc. are crystalline. All proteins are levorotatory. This property is due to the presence of alpha amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Except chromoproteins, other proteins have no characteristic colors. They have no melting point or decomposition temperature. A pure protein is tasteless and odorless. Molecular weight. The molecular weight of proteins is generally determined by ultrascientific methods and found to be in between 30,000 to 75,000, although values as high as 200,000 have been reported from some proteins. Denaturation. On heating or exposing to ultraviolet radiations or treating with the number of solvents or reagents, for example, glucose, acetone, aqueous potassium iodide, etc., proteins are precipitated out and thus undergoes remarkable changes. For example, enzymes proteins become inactive when denatured. These changes may be irreversible or reversible and are generally referred as denaturation. Denaturation occurs most readily near the isoelectric point. The common example of irreversible denaturation is the familiar change which occurs during the boiling of an egg. The denatured protein samples may contain an intact primary structures. Their three-dimensional structures is destroyed. The reversal of denaturation is known as renaturation or refolding. In case denaturation is affected by heat, reversible denaturation may be carried out by very slow cooling, not rapid cooling. The process of this type of renaturation is known as annealing. Next property, peptides and proteins undergoes hydrolysis by means of dilute hydrochloric or sulfuric acid, alkali or enzymes into their constituent amino acids. The test for proteins. The major test is the biuret test. The protein is warmed gently with 10% solution of sodium hydroxide and then a drop of very dilute copper sulfate solution is added. The formation of reddish violet color indicates the presence of peptide link CuNH. The test is also positive for the compound biuret, which is NH2CuNH CuNH2 obtained from urea by heating. Next is xanthoparetic test, a very important test. On treatment with concentrated on treating protein with concentrated nitric acid, certain proteins gives yellow color. This yellow color is the same as that is formed on the skin when later comes in contact with concentrated nitric acid in